Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and yes, I spent Christmas in the hospital, and here's what happened. On the Saturday before Christmas, I was there editing my videos, and I was at the point where you export it to upload it to YouTube. So I was at that point, and as soon as I was ready to add the songs, add the Christmas song to export it, my child started to cough blood. I won't go much on that, but I rushed to the hospital, and there I was for 5 days. So I missed Christmas Eve, I missed the festivities on Christmas Eve, I missed Christmas, I missed Boxing Day, I missed Christmas dinner, I missed all of those good things, shopping for Christmas Eve, the clothes for Christmas Eve, shopping for toys, etc. I missed everything. Alright, so there I was vlogging and everything was going good, and I knew I could complete Vlogmas, but this happened, so it was not completed. My child got discharged from the hospital on Thursday in the afternoon around 4:35ish thereabout, and when I came home I didn't feel to do any vlogging or recording because it's like I was still in this state of shock or state of what happened, or because I had my mind planned to complete Vlogmas and do all the works, Christmas dinner, family fun, etc, etc, because I knew I could complete it. But then that happened, and it was like where to start, what to say, what to do, how to do it, how to say it, etc, etc. So I decided to just put everything down and try to catch up on things that I did not get to do. I did not get to do my child's hair. It has been 3 weeks, going on 3 weeks. Her hair hasn't been done, so it's a lot of work. My hair hasn't been done since the last time either. I haven't been taking care of my hair since the hospital visit. So a lot was on my mind, and a lot was there to do physically, so I did not want to come online as it. Now today, which is Monday, I feel the vibes to go ahead and explain why I didn't complete Vlogmas, even though it probably is not important to most of you guys, because most of you guys are not watching the channel. But I felt that for the 1 or 2 persons who was really watching Vlogmas needed some sort of explanation on what happened, etc, etc. So I won't go deep as I say, but you get the understanding. I was in the hospital with my child, so I did not get to complete Vlogmas. I was still out of it, and even though during those 5 days I did get the opportunity to vlog here and there, but I wanted to bring more of a fun, jolly, happy Christmas vibes going on, and I wasn't feeling that 100% for myself, so I didn't want to vlog. I wanted to feel 100% good that I'm vlogging and happy and I'm going and doing what I am doing. So I didn't want to take out the phone and vlog and say this is happening and I'm gonna do this and blah 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 blah, because it felt like it wasn't fun anymore. So I didn't take up the phone and record anything, even though I had the opportunity to, but the vibes and the mood was not there. Okay, so but nevertheless we are okay. I am okay. We are alive and well. No, of course, even though I was in the hospital, I didn't expect that Santa would visit. It's the first time actually seeing someone, a white person actually. Well, I never seen a black person either in real life, but a white person in Santa Claus suit and the beard and everything, looking like a Santa Claus, came to the hospital. So I was so surprised to see that, not remembering that it's a hospital, so most likely the children who are stuck in the hospital for Christmas persons would come and give them gifts. I wasn't thinking about that any at all, and it really opened my eyes a bit to know that people do those things. All right, I really like that. I really like that. I'm gonna show you clips at the end, so just stay tuned. So I feel like that is one of the things I want to do one year, to give gifts to children or probably mothers in a hospital, something like that. So that really opened my eyes a bit on how I can give back to the community, how I can give back to my surroundings, because I didn't know that you could just go in the hospital and give out gifts, or I don't know the process or what they do or whatever to allow them in the hospital to give out gifts. But I definitely want to do that one here, to give out gifts and stuff to children and stuff who are stuck inside the hospital. So yes, I really like that. So it was about 4 different persons or 5 different set of persons who came in and gave out gifts to the children and so forth. Now there was one that I didn't really like though. Everybody else came in, they hand out the gifts. There was no video, there was no camera, there was no nothing like that. But there was this one individual who was giving out gifts, and then he was recording it and stuff like that. I didn't like that. He was recording and say this is how people should give gifts and behave when they get gifts, and see how the children are happy and blah blah blah. I didn't really like that recording part of it, but other than that, it opened my eyes to let me understand that these things are happening. People can just go out and give gifts in the hospital and stuff like that. So I think that is a good gesture. So yeah, so my child got a lot of gifts, even gifts that was not too safe. Hopefully I can find that gift and show you guys. All right, I'm gonna show you little clips and pictures of when I was in the hospital. As I said, I didn't take much, I didn't do much, but I will show you evidence of what I'm talking about. And being that is long past, today is Monday, I left the hospital on Thursday, the storm has already passed, I think it's now okay to post these things. All right, hope you guys are okay and you enjoy your Christmas Eve, and happy belated Christmas Day, and have a happy new year, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Artwork fly. After you don't mash it up. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.